Our world is defined by our cities. But as our climate changes and our population grows, we must adapt to meet new challenges. The creators of Dream Big invite you on a journey into the future, where today's engineers are designing solutions that will change the way we live forever. From electric flying air taxis and greener buildings to solar energy beamed down from space that will power entire cities. Welcome to the future. Discover a new vision of hope for the world and see the next generation as our greatest opportunity. Follow a team of middle school students as they compete in the Future City competition, where they build their own future city. Find out what it's like to be on a Future City team as they learn from engineer mentors, build their models, practice their presentations, and participate in the finals in Washington, D.C. Students learn firsthand what it's like to be an engineer, how to fight climate change, and build a sustainable city. Our kids have the power to change the world. Cities of the Future. A film for IMAX and giant screen theaters.